It's pretty windy outside, and it is a really nice weather, I must say. And I am kind of missing going outside and clicking some dope images, but what to do? So, I am making this video for something really important, and you and we have to discuss about it, and it is really important. So, before that, you guys know, I rolled something. Let's roll it. Okay, the important thing that I want to share with you guys, and that is Premiere Pro versus DaVinci Resolve. Most important discussion I have ever seen in whole of the YouTube, and I want to do it on my own and simplify you things. So the thing is, both are video editing softwares, both are really good, and I want to compare them both and see who does the work better. So without any delay, let's start it. So the thing is, on the basis of some things, I'm going to differ both of the softwares, and that are lag, color grading, rendering time, and features. These are the four things on the basis of I'm going to differ both Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. So I have done one thing, that I have edited my footage on both of the softwares with same kind of things, like the transitions, the color grading type, and the musics and sounds, all of the same. But you are going to tell me which one is nice, and now we are going to see, and you are going to see the footages of first for the Premiere Pro, then goes for the DaVinci Resolve. So let's roll the footage of Premiere Pro right now. So here is my phone. I'm going to watch it on my phone, and you guys watch it on the screen. So let's go. So the Premiere Pro footage is done. Now it's time for DaVinci Resolve's footage. So let's show you guys. You have seen the footages, and now it's time for us to differ between Premiere Pro versus DaVinci Resolve on the four things previously I said, you guys. So now the first point of the differ is the lag, and by lag I mean to say the opening speed of your Premiere Pro, opening speed of your projects, and importing files and stuffs, and that all the speeds which are meant to be faster on Premiere Pro, but they are absolutely not. Premiere Pro 2020 is absolutely laggy. I don't know why. For me at least, I don't know about you guys. I'm using a laptop, mid-range laptop, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of NVIDIA graphics card, and 1 TB of hard drive. I think it is enough for video editing. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section. But instead of that, DaVinci Resolve gives me a faster, better experience. It opens my projects faster, it imports my files faster, and I think we should do something about Premiere Pro 2020. It should give some at least updates to make it more faster. So the first point goes to DaVinci Resolve. So now it's time for the second one. The second point of the differ is rendering time. The rendering time of both of the softwares are pretty amazing, nice, fast, but there is something that I want to say. DaVinci Resolve is way better than Premiere Pro, and I don't know why, but still the rendering time of DaVinci Resolve is of this clip. Rendering time of this clip on DaVinci Resolve is almost 25 minutes, and this clip's rendering time on Premiere Pro is almost 30 to 35 minutes. So as you are a photographer or a cinematographer, you need less time to render. You need to save your time for different things. So I will give this point to DaVinci Resolve. Now the third point of the of the differ is color grading. That is the main point, I must say, because color grading makes your footages really nice. It gives you a new look to your images, photos, whatever you are editing on your Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. And let me tell you guys, I am really kind of astonished that is DaVinci Resolve does color grading at its best. I don't know why Premiere Pro doesn't give all that settings like DaVinci Resolve gives. When I'm editing on DaVinci Resolve, I think like I'm editing on Lightroom. All the settings are there for each and everything that you need to color grade your footage or kind of an image that you want to do. But in Premiere Pro there are not enough settings to do that. But I am clearly voting that it may be different for you, but I think for me DaVinci Resolve is best at color grading. It is really best. So this point also goes to DaVinci Resolve. And the fourth and the last one to differ is the features. There are tons of features between both of them. Both are really good at giving features. Both companies, Adobe give a lot of features to Premiere Pro. DaVinci Resolve gives a lot of features in their software, I must say. Both of them are really nice, but the thing is I cannot cover them all up in one video. So if you want me to make another video of this features difference between this Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, tell me in the comment section. I'm going to make another video on the features, only the features based. So I must say I'm going to give call it a draw kind of thing. I'm going to give the points to both of them. I'm going to call it a draw because they have both enough features in both of them that are really nice. So the gist of the whole thing is surely the DaVinci Resolve wins, but still I've been editing on Premiere Pro for almost 2 years, and I've been editing on DaVinci Resolve on almost for around 2 weeks to 3 weeks. But I kind of think the Premiere Pro is kind of a user friendly, but DaVinci Resolve is kind of a very much complicated stuff. It took me around 4 days to understand DaVinci Resolve, how to put the footages, how to put the clips, how to put a cinematic bar. Of course, was a hectic one. So in that section, Premiere Pro wins. Of course, it is a less complicated, very much user friendly, and I really think it is very easy to use. And there are few more bonus tips, bonus differences that I jot down, and that is you don't have enough transition or color grade packs for DaVinci Resolve because it's a kind of a Lightroom kind of a color grading, so you have to color grade on your own. You don't have LUTs or presets on DaVinci Resolve. You have, but not that variety of presets or LUTs you have and that you like have on Premiere Pro. So I give a point to Premiere Pro on that basis because Premiere Pro has a different types of transitions, various types of transitions of variety, and the LUTs presets also have a different variety and various. It's really nice to edit on Premiere Pro, but still I think DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to give both of the bonus points to Premiere Pro. So it's kind of a even and a draw one, but on the real basis, DaVinci Resolve wins. So that's the whole video, and I'm going to meet you at the next video. And until then, stay safe, be at home, try not to come in contact with some other persons. Stay at home, stay safe, make your family safe. And I'm going to meet you at the next video. Until then, like, share, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel. I'm your Aditya Kanjilal. I'm going to meet you at the next video. But I forgot to do something. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Aditya Kanjilal. So I'm going to meet you at the next video. Bye.